Let's make Matar paneer masala. In a pan, heat some oil and shallow fry paneer cubes. You need to fry this until it turns golden brown. Meanwhile, in a separate kadhai, add some oil, jeera, coriander seeds, ginger, garlic, and some green chilies juliennes along with 3 onions. This is finely chopped and stir it well. Once it changes color, we need to add coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, and again give it a nice stir. After a while, add tomato purees. I have approximately taken 4 tomatoes, which are medium in size. Add salt to it according to taste. And again 5 to 7 minutes. You need to stir this. After that, add 2 big tablespoons of yogurt and stir it again for 5 to 6 minutes. Then add green peas, which I have boiled, and then adding garam masala, followed by adding the paneer cubes that we had shallow fried in the beginning. Give it a nice stir, garnish it with fresh coriander leaves, and Matar paneer masala is ready.